Om Shanti, good morning, 26th October 2020. Today Murli, Baba is telling sweet children, follow Srimad and serve Bharat to make into heaven. First of all, you have to become viceless yourself and then tell others. Today question, what should you Mahavir children not to be concerned about? While checking yourself, what must you be careful about? Answer. If someone is obstructing you in your becoming pure, do not be concerned about it, but simply check whether you are a Mahavir or not. Am I deceiving myself? Do I have unlimited disinterest? Do I make others similar to myself? Do I have anger in me? Do I myself do what I tell others to do? Check yourself. All this question Baba is telling कि am I deceiving myself? Check it. Do I have unlimited disinterest? बेहद की वैराग्य है, मैं खुद को तो कहीं धोखा नहीं दे रही हूँ. Do I make others similar to myself? मैं दूसरों को भी आप समान बनाने की सेवा कर रही हूँ. Do I have anger in me? Do I myself do what I tell others to do? मैं वही कर रही हूँ जो दूसरों को कह रही हूँ करने के लिए. ये सब चेक करनी है. Then today's song, having found you, we have found the whole world, the earth and the sky, all belongs to us. Essence for dhyana, constantly maintain the intoxication and happiness that you have become Baba's unlimited heirs for 21st birth. You definitely have to remember the one whose heirs you have become, and you must also become pure. Number 2. Only perform the elevated act that the Father teaches you. Continue to take Srimad. Today blessing, may you be a world transformer who experiences the stage of ascent by paying full attention to your mind. May you be a world transformer who experiences the stage of ascent by paying full attention to your mind. Then explanation. Now in the final moment, you have to become an instrument for world transformation with your mind. Therefore, if you waste even one thought through with mind, you then lose a lot. Do not consider one thought to be something ordinary. At present, any upheaval of thought is considered to be a huge upheaval because the time has now changed and the speed of effort has to be changed. Therefore, a full stop is needed for your thoughts. When you pay this much attention to your mind and your thoughts, world transformation will then take place through your ascending stage. Then today's slogan, to experience yoga while in action means to be a karma yogi. To experience yoga while in action means to be a karma yogi. Om Shanti. Have